Right, we're back. So I got this thing all hooked up. As you can see here, I got a couple of different plugs running out of here, one of which is this microphone, which is definitely a 10-foot cord, which can come in handy. Like I said, it does have the on-off switch, and there is an echo effect. So let me give you a little sound. Here's what this microphone is going to sound like. It is pretty not bad. I'm actually pretty impressed with this little wired microphone. It does give me a tremendous amount of volume, but again, this is as loud as it goes. So as far as the wired microphone goes, it doesn't get much better than this. We can add the effect. That definitely does not make too much of a difference in terms of being able to be loud. But certainly if you wanted to do a little something like you could check 1, 2, check, 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 1, 2, check, 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 1, 2, check, 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 1, 2. And you can have a little fun with some rhythm there because it is just a basic delay effect. Getting a little close to the thing there, so I'm going to go ahead and shut this off. So pretty impressive on the microphone. I'm really not too upset with it. Certainly that is something that would be usable depending on your application. I mean, certainly I use wired microphones in a very rare instance. But wireless microphones is something I'm constantly using. So let's go ahead and take a look at this volume knob. So this is the volume knob all the way down. This is the volume knob all the way up. Notice it has no effect on the microphone. Only the microphone volume knob has effect. But here's the volume knob at like 20%. As you can see, there's really no point in using the microphone at 20% volume. There's only one reason to use a microphone, and that's to amplify your voice. So if you're going to be amplifying your voice, it better be louder than I am without the speaker. As you can tell, I can almost just shout over this thing. It's not that hard. But sometimes it is nice not to strain your voice. So let's go ahead and do some music with it. Let's see here. I got my Song Sans Lyrics folder, which is just, something I'll pick out of here. How about some Blue Sky music? It's a little YouTube friendly version of the song. And so remember, my volume is all the way down. So that's about 50% right there. This would be 100%. Oh, excuse me on that. I had my iPad turned to a lower volume. So here's about 20%, 50%, 75%, 100%. This is no bass. Let me add the bass in. 100% bass. 50%. So now, with the music playing, I can go ahead and cut the volume of the music down to about 50%, which is how a professional DJ would necessarily do a talk over, is cut the volume down to about 20, maybe 50%, depending on how important of a message they were making. So you can hear, if I take my microphone effect off of there, it does have a pretty good carry over top of the music, and then I can go ahead and turn my music back up and go back to party time. So this little speaker for $45, it's not bad at all. I mean, it just depends on what your application is and how you want to use it. So, Victor, make sure you get back to me and let me know what it is exactly you were trying to use this for. I can imagine a group of 50 people, this would be plenty of volume for background music, but you're certainly not going to have a party necessarily to this music. Let me go ahead and put up something different, maybe something a little bit more loud. So let's see, what does, let's see, how about, let's go with the Daisy. So once again, being able to play your bass control can be super helpful. And there is no separate treble control. But if I want to, I can do a little singing over top of it with my vocal effect. say, crawling to a rose field dancing, baby. I was strange and fine and easy. Should I? She like a daisy in a rose, try to keep on pleasing. Can't get you out, spend my time all alone. Oh no, what to do, rose field? That's enough of that. We don't need to be messing around with this. So the next thing we're going to take a look at here is I did also do the video for the Fi-Fine microphone. So since this is a 1/4-inch jack, we're going to take a look at pairing these two items together and see exactly what kind of sound and what kind of distance we can get out of this. So that'll be a fun video. We'll take it outside. We're also going to go ahead and take a look at doing some music overnight, or see how many hours the battery will last. Last one I did was a 5-hour battery life. So what I'll do is whenever I get done with this part of the video, I'll go ahead and get this all charged up and see how long it takes to run it to dead overnight. So we'll see you for that video. Have a good night. We'll see y'all.